In this video, I'll show you how to remove the share button from the blog post pages in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, by default, the share button is displayed just under the blog post title. So if you're looking to remove it, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. So at first, I'll select the Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop-down menu, then select Blog Post, Default Blog Post. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand the blog post section, then click on the share button block. At the very top, click on three dots, and then select Remove. And now save the changes. Once the changes are saved, let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the blog post page. And as you can see, the share button was completely removed, and this change will be reflected on the other blog post pages. Let's take a look at my blog post. Let's open this one. Yeah, the button is not available. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.